Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video we will learn how to set away message. When you send message someone, they immediately reply thank you, shortly reply we are not available, we will message soon as possible. Firstly open the WhatsApp. Here you can see the three dots at the top right corner, click on it. Then click on setting. Here you can see the business tool, click on it. Now you can see the messaging. In this messaging we can see greeting message and away message. Firstly we open the greeting message. Turn on greeting message. Here you can see the pencil icon. Click on it and write something if you want. I write thank you for contacting. Please let us know how we can help you. Then click on OK and save. Now click on away message. Turn on away message. Here you can see the pencil icon. Click on it. If you can write anything on it, you can write it. I can write thank you for contacting. We are unavailable right now, but we'll respond as soon as possible. Then click on OK and save. These are away message. Now if someone sent a message to him or her, that message will automatically go to him. I share my screen with you. Here you can see the auto reply. Thank you for contacting. Unavailable right now. We will respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.